Hey everyone, today we are going to create a simple Ubuntu instance on AWS. So let's get started. Alright, so here I am in my AWS console and I'll head to the EC2 section. I'll just go to compute first and then I'll select EC2. This is where you would be creating your virtual machines or instances. I have selected my closest region, which is Mumbai to me. So basically you want to select your closest region so that you face the least lag and your application works perfectly fine. So I'll head to launch instance, or I'll just give it a name. For example, for this I'll give it a name Ubuntu tutorial, right? And I'll select the operating system as Ubuntu. Make sure you're going with the free tier in case you're just experimenting out and learning AWS. So I'll select the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS for this, which is part of the free tier. I'll scroll down again for the virtual machine or the instance size. For example, this is the T2 micro instance. This is also part of the free tier. It has 1 core processor, virtual processor, and it has 1 GB RAM. This is the part where you would use to log into your Ubuntu instance. So here I'll create new SSH and name it Ubuntu test, and make sure you save this SSH key with you. Yeah, for the storage section, 8 GB for this tutorial is all good. You may want to increase if you want, like maybe 50. Just go with 50. And I'll launch the instance once you are ready to go. So it's taking some time. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, so our instance is ready and it's showing running in the instant state. So now we can just SSH and connect to our Ubuntu instance. So I'll click on the instance ID. I'll click on connect. And what you would typically want to do is go to SSH and then use something like SSH software like Putty, for example, or in your terminal. But for this, I'll just use the web version, web console, for logging into the Ubuntu instance. So I'll click on connect. And let's just give it some time. Yeah, and I'll switch to root user. I'll do it as apt update. And I'll install the new page on this. Let's just give it some time. And it has successfully installed. I'll run neofetch in the terminal, and as you can see, we are running an Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, and we are up for 5 minutes. Our instance is running for 5 minutes. The total RAM is 965 MB, which is almost 1 GB, so that's fine. We are having 1 core Intel Xeon processor, and there's more. So this is our instance running in the cloud, and yes, it has its own IP address. So for example, this is our IP address 65.0.29.73. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.